In this episode, we explore a real Chinese space rocket, but things take an unexpected turn.
Hi, I'm Bob, an urban explorer, and with friends I explore the most amazing abandoned places worldwide.
We are on a road trip in China, and in previous episodes, we explored one of the most surreal places we've ever came across, an abandoned ghost city with the largest indoor water park, 23 hotels, a mall with luxury items left behind, and much, much more. Today, before we head back towards Beijing, there's one more adventure waiting for us.
Hi guys! This episode we're gonna visit a real rocket, a Chinese one. Apparently it's the only real one which is left, a 2F, stored as a backup. But the road there is closed. According to some media it turned into a tourist attraction, but yeah, it looks pretty deserted to me, so we're gonna take a look. There he is. That's pretty cool, yeah, but we need to take a closer look, of course. It would be nice to go up. But I see there's some kind of glass part on top of it. Looks really deserted. What is here?
We found some abandoned beach bar.
Oh yeah. Nice chair there. Some kind of 60s pop art, but the Chinese version. Yeah, already crossed the fence without doing anything.
Yeah, not even at the venue.
No, we locked ourselves in the park. Back on track. Yeah, the difficulty is it's located on an island with only two small roads leading there, where we have to climb the fence. There are people and cameras. Bit annoying. Yeah, it looks like it has been closed for the last 10 years, right?
Yeah.
This is one of the two entry roads. Most roads are blocked off.
Yeah, but you can easily bypass it, you see. Bye, I'm gonna walk here and then up. The barbed wire stops there, so we can continue. Oh, I didn't expect the water here. But still, we can climb over it. You know what we should do? Throw stones.
Oh yeah, hopefully.
I don't know how. Oh, Jesus, yeah. The stone just disappeared. It just appeared in the mud. And the whole family has been watching us all the time. The one is pointing straight forward, but we can easily walk a bit further here, right? There's a house there too. Maybe go a bit further. Back on the road. Well, this one turned out to be more adventurous than we thought, right?
Yes.
So this was first abandoned, then turned into some halfly tourist location, but it's not the case anymore. Or maybe it's only open in the weekend?
No.
I don't know.
No, it's not open anymore in any way. The amount of garbage.
Almost there.
Yahoo!
Yeah, I wonder if this one is bigger or smaller than the Energia. I think the Energia is bigger.
Bigger,
The second gate.
It's coming.
Yeah. There's this the admission fee? It is. 20 RMB. Doesn't really look like the plate you would see if you visit a rocket with a dolphin on it. Maybe it's something else.
No, it should be this one, wait.
And I think there's also a sign. You get 200 RMB fine. Andrea's translating the text.
Oh, sightseeing boat, motorboat, off-road motorcycle, barbecue boat, kayak, bicycle on the sea, rocket sightseeing. Sightseeing by elevator was 40 yuan per person.
For the lazy people.
This one says rocket heavy ground, no entry.
Oh. Easy. Oh yeah.
200 yuan.
It's a good tactic. Just make sure it's closed and then be somewhere nearby and you get 10 times more the price because you know people will jump the fence, right? Wow. Oh, there's also a camera here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, but if they watch it, we are already fucked.
Yeah, but should we just cross it quickly and then...
Not us, but the gate.
Ah, yeah. Ah, we keep on the left, right?
Look.
Nice picnic spaces around it. Oh yeah, there are more cameras here. Yeah, but this got constructed really recently because this was never here.
Oh wow.
The size of it is still pretty crazy, right? When you stand in front of it. Yeah. It's nice because you know it's a real one. Makes a big difference, right? If it's a dummy or a real one.
We're not gonna take the elevator today, I'm gonna take the stairs. See you later.
Oh, maybe our side was better to walk. Oh yeah. These don't look really good. Have to take care. Doesn't really feel good. Oh, they smashed the window here and I am blocked, so I have to go back. Does it really sound good, right?
No.
Birds made a nest in there, cool. Oh yeah, from here the view is really nice with the Chinese text. Yeah, it's probably hard to get to the drone, so it's good that I went up.
They really dumped a thing in the middle of nowhere.
Pretty epic, such a big thing. Had so much power that it could fly into space. Crazy. And this is connected and it looks in a pretty decent shape, so I can try it. Only a little bit rusty.
Bob is reaching the top as far as I can see. He's up there.
Yeah. This door got welded, so there's no chance of getting inside. Maybe one floor up. Let's check that out. But I think all top floors have glass, so yeah, I think this will be the best view I can get. But at least I can go to the top. I made it.
This is a Long March 2F rocket, a Chinese orbital carrier rocket. It's a two-stage rocket with 4 strap-on boosters and uses hypergolic propellants. The rocket can deliver about 8.4 tons to low Earth orbit and mainly launches Shenzhou spacecraft. This type of rocket first flew in 1999 and carried China's first astronaut on Shenzhou 5 in 2003. All space missions have backup rockets prepared for safety, and this is one of the backups that was never used.
I see cables here. Ah, it's not connected anymore. There's Andrea, chilling.
He's up there.
Yeah, let's get back down on the other way, if possible. No, it is not.
We almost finished lunch and want to make drone shots, so when this happens,
And
Somebody came and the elevator goes up now.
they will see us for sure. They haven't seen us yet, but they are going in. Oh yeah, maybe they just realized us.
One goes out, right? Yeah. So it's not abandoned.
Toot, toot, toot,
The
toot.
elevator still works.
after we explained that we thought it was abandoned and had no Chinese phone number to call, everything was fine.
So suddenly somebody turned up, yeah. But we have a good opportunity to go up with the elevator now. Oh, it's even better from this angle, babe. Oh, it's really cool. What a nice music in the background.
Mm-hmm.
This, wow. Ta-da, without any effort now. You see?
Oh, this is a real,
it's good,
it's a launch area. Quite crazy.
Restaurant at the launch area.
Okay, this is crazy.
I think there are not enough tourists to keep this place open.
Yeah, probably. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi. No.
It's a bit worn off here. But, wow. Easy way out. That's good. Well, our explorer took an unexpected turn. We took advantage of the situation and we paid to go up the elevator, so that was fun.
Yeah, and it was good to see a real rocket.
Yeah, it's not every day that you get to see such a rocket ride.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the location, yeah, if this is the only 2F1 left, then yeah, they put it somewhere in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, sad.
Yeah. A car
There's a
shows
car.
up too. Yeah.
Parking where we entered.
Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment and thumbs up and subscribe for more cosmic adventures.